I thought you were here.
Baka maano yung cellphone mo.
Bakit?
Kidlat.
Kidlat. It's green. The world become green. Solar eclipse ba? O raining lang? Sumbong. Sana. Dilim na, alas 2 pa lang. Dubai. Good afternoon, good morning, Dubai. It's green. Ala, kasi na ano siya, na-cover. Ala, first time to nangyari sa Dubai. Ano? Kidlat. Katakot. Buti alam ng Dubai, no? Kaya pala walang pasok.